Hello to the outdoor channel. For several years now we have been driving 1400 kilometers to Catalonia at least twice a year, where there are many so-called dirt jumping spots or parks. I will present the most important ones in this video. At the spots the guys shape and help restore kickers, landings, berms, and of course they also do the dirt riding and jumping. As you have seen from my previous videos, which are in Slovene, I go on e-bike tours in the surrounding hills meanwhile. The most famous world renewed is the La Poma bike park in the town of Premia de Dalt between Barcelona and Mataró. We spent the most time there in previous years. In mornings the guys mostly shaped the most famous dirt line NBA, and in the afternoon they did dirt jumping. This year the park was unfortunately closed because the manager is changing. This is the only park among the presented ones that is public open. It has everything: a skate park, foam jumping, a skills training park, a learning line, a slope style line, an air cushion, and the most famous NBA line. This is how riding on this track looks like. In this year we also visited La Floresta trails for the first time, an interesting dirt park in the forest above the local sports center in this town, in the western part of Barcelona. The dirt track is especially interesting because it's made on a slope and has many berms in which you lose speed, but it also has all other features of good dirt jumping trails. Our guys helped to fix a landing and a kicker and tested the trails itself. We also feel very at home in La Bassa park, which is located in Arenys de Mar. The local guys know that we always help to fix something and that we know how to handle the shaping. This year most of it was about riding, and there are more shots in the video I will make in the future. The park has both easier and very technically demanding tracks, but jumping is a real pleasure. This year we visited another crazy spot for the first time, Pepe's Trail Park, near Torodera. Father and son have been fixing a dirt track on a slope for a few years with all possible elements. During our visit everything was protected as it should be, so the guys just helped to shape one landing. We'll go for a ride on our next visit for sure. Super zemlja, dela se kot Malto. The most technically demanding dirt park with very steep kickers and landings is the Lloret bike park in the town of Lloret de Mar. They also have some problems with the municipality here, and it's currently closed. In previous years it was fun. 2 years ago Yanei, my son, jumped the first jump on the big line that takes you to the sky, and my heart was pounding with fear. Ta hip. SCR Trails is another private spot near Coloma de Farmers, with a tough line in an even tougher hip, a jump where you have to turn 90 degrees. We went to see it on the first day, but the next day the guys agreed to shape it. The owner, as you can see in the picture, has family obligation with the kid, so he really liked that the boys did 2 landings, a rolling and another kicker. Precise teamwork with a great result.
Bro, la estás levantando, ¿eh?
Claro, estoy quitando.
Ya, ¿dónde quieres ir? Allí.
The spot where we feel at home is Pica Trails near Picamoixons near Tarragona. Every time we come, the local riders prepare something new, bigger and higher jumps. This time there was no shaping, just riding. Great session. More footage in the next video.
Pica un pelín en todo, pero...
El segundo salto de los de trance es alucinante, tío. Haces... Ahora me quedas en el aire como muerto así. Y yo,
Puedes mandar muy lejos ese,
guapo.
This year we also went to Torniket Bike Park, 180 kilometers from our location. This park is located in Puigcerda at the foot of the great Spanish ski resort La Molina and on the other side of the French border and Andorra. The boys worked on spring renovation in the park as the wind and winter had really damaged the jumps and the entire track. And on the way back on the last day, we had a quick look at the Barraca trails located in the town of Valls near Pica trails. That very day they had a pan-Catalan dirt session and the guys from almost all dirt spots featured in the video were there. We could only take a few quick shots as they were still preparing for jumps and shaping the last kickers. We'll be back next time for sure.